I love that the product is just straight to the point.
Yeah, I think the form actually can take any form. That's the best thing about this one.
Rockfon Mono is the perfect amalgamation between architects' design aspirations and technical performance. It is incredibly versatile with regards to its curvature, its shape, color, acoustic performance, and seamless application. Rockfon is multiple by nature, mono by name.
What I really liked about the product and what stood out for me first is that it can take any form. Because comparing it to other acoustical products, maybe the form might be limited if we have curves or arches. You would see that joint. But over here, I mean, it can just be any form that we want. In other products, okay, sometimes we cannot take that curve. Let's say in other acoustical products, it has to be straight application. But over here, since it works as the concept of a spray paint, but technically it's not a spray paint, so we can use it like on curved ceilings, on any application. And from acoustical point of view, usually what we are used to is like the perforated ones or the tiles that I often hate. But for this one, it looks just as a plain or regular gypsum board, which is what I really love about the product.
Good thing is that if you don't have, let's say, ceiling height and there's no ceiling void, so you can directly stick on the surface of the slab. So in a way, it's the ease of installation and the high volume that you can achieve in this sort of ceiling. And as you said, seamless, I mean, so you don't see that it's a ceiling.
When I see it as cost, I compare it also like to how labor intensive it is, let's say during construction. Comparing it to other products where if you were to see the section of the material, you would see like a lot of layers going on in that product until you achieve that acoustical layer. Sometimes you would see that glass fiber fleece and then the gypsum board and then that acoustical spray paint made out of maybe like 2-3 layers. But over here, it's just like one layer, one full system.
Yeah, I think time is the key factor, plus the ease of application. Anyone with the right expertise can install it.
If someone, let's say, switches off the AC, or like if there is a leakage at any certain point, you know those top layers in other products where you have that fleece, like you can imagine what would happen if water gets in. But this product, it's just like one system, so it really saves a headache.
Once you apply something and something goes wrong and you need to replace it, I think replacement is faster in this compared to other products.
Yeah.
So that's something which happens like during DLPA or like during normal maintenance. You'll see that the ceiling is open for like almost a week's time.
Yeah.
I think in this case it's like 2 or 3 days only.
Yeah, exactly. You just have to apply that coat.
Yeah. Overall, the quality of the space and the acoustic that it achieves, you can see that lead or some other green building credits, and they need some sort of sound insulation, so it ticks that box.
Apart from ticking the boxes, for example, the istidama, the lead, all of those points, it really makes us cautious, like as designers, of what right materials we should be specifying. And at the same time, this product, it gives us like the highest acoustical requirement of NRC1. And I really appreciate that the fact that most of the products are actually made out of recyclable materials. And you can see that now UAE is hosting the COP28. So it really fosters that idea we should be taking care of the environment.